Hello everyone, आई एम ऋतिक ठाकुर। आप मुझे फेसबुक पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं और व्हाट्सएप पे भी और इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं और मेरा नंबर वही है। हाँ, आज हम करेंगे व्हाट वेयर हाउ एंड व्हेन। ये मेरा जो है मेरे चैनल पर हिंदी में भी अवेलेबल है, आप जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। और ये क्लास 6 का हम एनसीईआरटी बुक सॉल्यूशन ओके करते हैं। तो व्हाट वेयर हाउ इन एंड वाई। तो Rashida's questions. Rashida sat reading the newspaper. Suddenly her eyes fell on a small headline. 100 years ago. How, she wondered, could anyone know what had happened so many years ago? Find out what happened. Yesterday you could listen to the radio, watch television, uh, read a newspaper. Last year ask somebody who remembers what about long ago. Let us see how it can be done. What can we know about the past? There are several things we can find out: what people ate, the kinds of clothes they wore, the houses in which they live. We can find out about the lives of hundreds of farmers, rules, merchants, pirates, crafts, reform, artist, musician, and scientist. We can also find out about the games children play, the story they heard, the player they saw, songs they sang. Where did people live? Find out river Narmada on map 1, page 2. People had lived among the banks of this river of the several hundred thousand years of. Some of the earliest people who lived there were skilled gatherers, that is, people who gathered their food. They know about the vast wealth of the plants and the surrounding forest and the collected roots, fruits, and other forests provide food for their food. They also hunted animals. Now find out the sedimony and Kithan Hills out of the northwest. Some of the area where women and men first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley about 18 years ago are log, log, located here. People also began rearing among animals like sheep, goat, and cattle, and lived in the village. Locate the grow 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 hills of the northeast and the Vindhyachal in central India. There were some of the other area where this is the map of the river Indian Ocean. Agriculture development, the place where rice was first grown are the north of the Vindhyachal. travel the rivers Indians and its tributaries tributaries are similar rivers that followed into a large river about 47,000 years ago. Some of the earliest cities full flourished on the banks of these rivers. Later, about 25,000 years ago, cities developed on the banks of the Ganga and its tribute, tributary, and along the sea courts locate the Ganga and its tribute called the Sun. In ancient time, the area among the river to the south of the Ganga was known as Magdha, Magad, now living in the state of Bihar. Its rules were very powerful and set up a large kingdom. Kingdoms were set up in other parts of the country as well. Throughout people traveled from the part of the subcontinents to any other. The hills and high mountains, including the Himalayas, de- dis- desert, river, uh, and seas made journey demands dangers at time. Water river now important impossible, so men and women moved in search of livelihood as also to escape from nature dispute like foods or draw, draw, droughts. Sometimes men marched in army conquers other lands. Beside remarch traveled with cav- car- caravans of the ships carrying valuable goods from place, and religious teachers walked from village to village, town to town, stopping off offer institutions and advisor on the way. Finally, some people perhaps travel drive why a spite of the adventure wanting to discuss now and exclusive place all their led up to shaping of idea between people. Why do people travel nowadays? Look at the map. I once more hills, mountains and mountains and seas from the nature fountain of the subcontinents. While it was the difficult to cross, there found for forters, fountains. Those who want could and did scores, and the mountains also cross the sea. People from across the fountains also come into the subcontinents and still here there are mountains of the people. uh,